Here's the situation. My friend just got her final exam result and she didn't pass. This was a really important exam for her course. Since then, she's been really down. She stopped coming to school, doesn't hang out with us anymore, and when I do manage to talk to her, she says she feels like there's no point in even trying anymore because she's going to fail everything. She's basically given up on her studies and feels like her future is ruined. First, I'd find a quiet time to talk to her alone. I'd pay attention to how she looks and acts. Is she constantly looking down? Does she seem really tired or restless? Is she avoiding eye contact? This can tell me a lot about how she's feeling inside. Next, I'd really listen to what she has to say. I would interrupt to try to give advice right away. I'd let her talk about how upset she is about the exam, how worried she is about her grades, and how hopeless she feels about the future. I try to show her that I understand why by nodding and saying things like, that sounds really tough, or I can see why you're really feeling that way. The main thing is to let her know I'm there for her and that she's not being judged. After she's had a chance to talk, I try to help her find some support. I remind her that our school has counselors who are trained to help students with exactly these kinds of problems. I might even offer to go with her to the counseling center if she's nervous about going alone. I'd also suggest talking to her academic advisor who can help her figure out a plan to improve her grades. I'd also encourage her to lean on her family and other friends for support. The goal is to remind her that she's not alone, that there are people who care about her and want to help. The workshop and the launching event were really helpful because they taught me how to spot when someone is struggling. I learned to pay attention to the signs of distress like isolating herself. I also learned how important it is to just listen without judging. Before I might have tried to give advice right away, but now I know it's better to just let the person talk and feel heard. So the workshop also made me realize that it is my responsibility to help my friend when they are going through a tough time. I know about the different resources available, like counseling services, and I feel more confident in suggesting them to my friends. Most importantly, I understand that even just belong there for someone and showing them that you care can make a big difference. It's about making sure they don't feel like they're facing their problems alone. Her final exam result, and she didn't pass.